Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by seeing what's recorded. Open Gmail on a desktop and click the Details link at the bottom, right to list recent sessions and IPs. Once done, switch to your Google account security page to view your devices and recent security events so you know which logins to remove. Do this now so you act on specific entries rather than guessing. Make sure you have a new password prepared and your phone handy for any verification prompts that follow. Next, remove the sessions. In security, your devices click Manage Devices and sign out any unfamiliar or old sessions. This forces those logins to expire. Then go to My Activity. Google.com, filter for account or sign-in related events and delete the specific entries so the history is removed. While you're there, change your password and immediately revoke any app passwords or third-party access to prevent repeat logins. Doing these steps together both removes the visible history and closes the door on resumed access. Finish by tightening access. Enable two-step verification and confirm recovery, email and phone are current so future logins require your approval. Make sure to clear any saved passwords in browsers and remove Gmail from devices you no longer control. If a login still appears in Gmail's details after you've deleted history, change your password again, revoke OAuth tokens and app passwords, then wait a few minutes for Google's systems to sync and recheck. This usually resolves residual entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.